Hi everyone, it's simpler. In this video I'm going to show you how to get to the folder of Windows theme that you have downloaded before that. If you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. So let's begin. First open Windows Explorer, then go to C drive, then turn on show hidden items. Now open user folder, then your username, app data, local, Microsoft, Windows, themes. That's it. For default Windows theme, navigate here. That's it. Let me know in the comment if you need any help. See you in the next video. Bye.